Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure Git is configured in IntelliJ. Go to Settings and confirm the Git executable path so commands run correctly. Once done, open your project and verify that version control is enabled for the repo. This connects the UI to your Git directory. Next, open the Git widget at the bottom right, or via View Right Arrow Tool Windows Right Arrow Git. That gives you branch status, history, and controls. You click the branch name in the Git widget to reveal existing branches. Pick Checkout to switch instantly, which updates your working tree. If you need a new branch, select New Branch, type a clear name, and choose Checkout. Optionally set it to track a remote branch so pushes are linked. Make sure to fetch or pull beforehand to list remote branches and avoid missing recent commits. This prevents accidental divergent histories once you switch. You finish by confirming the active branch in the IDE status bar and running git status in IntelliJ's terminal for a clear state. If you had uncommitted work, commit or stash before switching to prevent conflicts. Stashing preserves changes without committing. If merge conflicts appear after switching or pulling, use IntelliJ's merge dialog to accept, compare, and resolve. Alternatively, open conflicting files and fix them manually, then mark resolved.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.